everyone, this is Indira and welcome to my kitchen, HoiChoi Leaves, where every dish is going to tell you a story and is seasoned with lots of love. I always believed that food is not only just about the taste, it's also about the emotions, the tradition that we have and the moments that we share with our loved ones. In this channel, I will be sharing with you a lot of simple, quick, easy recipes, some festive surprises and some seasonal dishes as well, which you can prepare at your own kitchen and surprise your loved ones. Now, do you want to also indulge into this flavorful journey with me? If the answer is yes, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates. चलो बहुत भूख लगी है, अब तो रेसिपी वीडियो ही चाहिए. Till then, be healthy and happy. See you in the next video. Bye for now.